Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Oh, I can't wait. I got everything. Let's dig in. That's a lot of yolk. Look at it dripping. It's hot. It's yolky. It's buttery. It's decadent. I can't wait for a bite. You know what's in it. Now it's gonna be in me. Swiss cheese is perfect. Let's see how it tastes. Diving right in. Thing looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Well, simple. See if it's simply tasty. The Spam is heated up. Mike eats the street cobras. Now it's gonna be in me. Oil and vinegar. Need a good thick bread like this to hold on to all that. Let's get a big bite of that. The salsa's going all over the place, but I think a big bite's, Got a little tuna. Of course, it's eggs and cheese, artichoke, tomato, and is it hot? You tell me, but I'm a man. Loaded with Spam, some onions, potatoes, eggs, even threw a little cheese in at the end. But it ain't killer diller unless it tastes. Oh my God, that's hot. Let's see if it's tasty hot. All right, let's get a bite. This one has some olive. All right. That is amazing. You still can taste the spaghetti. All right, there we go. Uncle Paulie's Mike Eats the Street. We're in Vegas. Ready? Let's just see if it's possible to take a bite like a gentleman. Let's see how this baby tastes. You know what's in it. Now it's gonna be in me, as we like to say. Put a little salsa on top of that. Let's take a big bite. That's a big bite right there, you see it? Let's try it. Let's try a bite of this. There's a nice big piece with Spam. It melts in your mouth, it's gorgeous. It is so good. Here's some wider chestnuts. Oh, it looks pretty good though. Let's take a bite. Let's see if it's hot from the jalapeno. There, oh, look at that. Try it. Oh my God, I swallowed it. This hash is delicious. Let's get a big bite of everything. Let's see how it tastes. Dang, that salsa really gives it a tang. The cheese is nice and creamy and spicy. Egg is nice and creamy. Holds it all together. That is so good. Protein bomb to start the day. Wow. Have it for lunch. Make this for dinner. Another killer omelet. Wow, this is good. Killer sweet babu diller. Look at this bite. It's dripping. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Tell people about it. Till next time. Wow. Peace.
Live life 365.
Not that difficult. That was pretty darn good.